Hi guys, now heading back to the access modifier. So in previous tutorial about access modifier, I've already explained about public, private and default keyword, but I intentionally didn't mention about protected, because protected is about inheritance, which you can see here. For example, if you want to know the difference between default and protected, right? So by default, if you didn't set any access modifier, you are accessible within the package or within the class itself. For protected, you are accessible in the package class itself as well as the subclass in different package. So what does it mean is that this protected will ensure that your child class can directly access the variable of the parent class. So by looking at the difference, I have the constructor to set the name and age. So now head back to the main method, which we import the person from different package. So now I'm going to, instead of directly using it, I'm going to have a class student that extends the person, whereby I need to also specify the constructor because I have the constructor for name and age, right? So I will have an integer age here. So invoking the super constructor of name and age. So now we can have the student equals to new student with the name and age. So now let's try to do some accessor for the name and age. So for example, if I want to get the name, I will use this get name and return name. And if I want to, now you can see the error already. So if I want to get age, I will return the age. So this is, still remember, this name is the default access modifier, and this age is with the access modifier of protected. So as you can see, we got an error, but if you want to access the name from the child class, and the error is that person.name is not visible. So even though you are passing down, you are extending, you are inheriting the person class, but you don't have the privilege to access directly the name actually, because of this being set as a default. Yeah, but since the age is protected, so you are able to access it here. So you can do like system.out get age. Yeah, so you are able to use the accessor to access to data from here. This one I'm going to set it as a protected as well, so that it's accessible in my child class. So now you can see without any error already. So in order to compile it, same, I will use these two things to indicate the Java file which I want to compile, and when I want to run it, I will use the .main. Yeah. So as you can see, I can get the name as well as get the age. So what else I can do? Let me think about it. So yeah, another thing is that the good thing of using the protected is that although it is accessible in the subclass, but it is not accessible in the main class that doesn't inherit the person. So I cannot do something like going through the variable without using the accessor. Yeah, directly accessing the age from here is not possible because main is not the subclass of class person. So this is a very, very good thing for encapsulation as well. So make sure that you are setting the correct access modifier for the instance variable. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next tutorial.